In this quick video guide, we're going to see a website called VectorPortal. And in this website, you will find a lot of vector graphics that you can download. They are royalty free and they can be edited and modified. And you can use it for your needs. So you can search for VectorPortal or just type vectorportal.com in the address bar, and then here we are. It's a really simple website. We only have here a search bar, and then you have a couple of section here like popular, handpicked, and categories. So you can search using this, or you can just type what you're looking for, and these are the categories. You have animals, music, and whatever. So let's go like into animals, and we find a lot of different illustrations here. So once you find something you like, so let's say I like this one, or I'm gonna go with the cats here. So click and just wait for a few seconds. It should open up a new page. And in here, if you scroll down, there's your vector graphic. So you can click on the download now button, and that's gonna download. And you can have extra info down here, and also they are like sponsoring other like stock graphics, and you can read the attribution rules here, and then you can proceed. So click and download, and it's gonna show the window where you wanna save it. In my case, I'm saving this in the download window, download folder, and just save. And there you go. So we have the zipped folder. So I'm gonna open up, and there's the folder right there in the download. So I'm gonna right click and extract everything, or you could just double click, open the folder, copy and paste into another category or another directory. And there you go. So we have AI format, which is from Illustrator, and then we have this EPS format. It's another one. You can open it with the GIMP. And so once you have it, you need to use software capable of reading vector graphics. So the most popular one, the most famous, is Adobe Illustrator. That's for vector graphics, illustration, logo design, etc., etc. And the alternative, the free alternative, the open source alternative is Inkscape. And also you can use GIMP for some little vector graphics. So I've chosen Inkscape, and by the way, if you're interested, just look in the channel, you'll find all the courses on the software that we mentioned. So I'm just gonna open the AI file because this is readable to Inkscape. It's readable by Inkscape. And so I just need to double click or just click on open, and it's gonna open it up. You have some options here. This is now in Italian, but I'm just gonna go quick. Just gonna leave everything as it is. Just say OK, and that should work fine. So it's gonna open the file in a new Inkscape document, and you can see now if I click, I can click and drag the various elements of this illustration around because they are layers, and you can edit how much you want. So it's a pretty easy process. And again, if you don't know how to use Inkscape, there is a course in the channel. If you don't know how to use Illustrator, also you'll find learning resources. And so that's it. It's a really easy and quick process, totally free. And that's it. So if you're interested, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated. If you want to support us, please join the channel. Check out other video courses and video guides, and see you in the next video.